The next day, you guys just saw in those last couple of clips what happened. The Miata is officially gone. We started taking her apart up front. That's what's come off so far. And this is how she sits. Still runs fine, kinda. What can you do?
Pop the trunk.
Disconnected something up front.
Yeah, both thermals.
Oh, look at here.
Oh god.
What's that for?
No clue.
Let's get a splicer and we'll do it real quick.
That's easy fix.
It's 2 wires. Then we could use a knife.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to pull that wire.
That's what you want.
Yeah, 10s
Yep,
and like
Miata.
8s up front.
She's totaled.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Well, if you guys look over here, I got the new
there's
project.
no rebuild.
But yeah, we're gonna be parting out the Miata in some videos. This is the new whip right here. She's a 87 C70. All built out, of course. Custom frame job. No, just kidding. This is my coworker's car. He's inside with my dad right now because anyone got US Crane on? I don't know. You guys see us with the sweatshirts? Yes. The company my dad runs. I work for him. But anyway, in reality, you guys remember Ivan Slawsky?
No, I'm back.
Slawsky
Back
dogs.
from the dead.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Miata parts littered. This is the new whip.
Nah, it's your mom's car. Yo, stop.
Nah, this is actually the new drift whip. Ivan, wanna hop in and check her out?
Yeah.
V8. He went with a V8 this time.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're probably not gonna go anywhere, buddy. I wouldn't get too excited.
Shit. Yeah, so 95 SC400. Of course. 30 mint.
Check this. To me, the ultimate goal, it's to build your own respect. Your name's the only thing that stays when you take your last breath. And if it had enough respect, your legacy will never rest. I'm the man behind the mic, go ahead and start your bet. Seems that few will stay beside you, and then most will place against. Until the odds are in your favor, bisect them with success. Checkmate, I chest, leave your order on my desk. Before the sun goes south, we'll turn into a slaughter fest. Spit my venom, chupacabra like a dragonfly breath. I'm the monster in your closet, taking all forms of credit. Dollars, wallet, and your watch, even tokens if we get them. Fuck, I'll sell my soul for weed.